അപ്പോ
Murugan, we should meet.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, till we meet next. Good luck.
Good luck. Bye. See you.
Hello, Appu. Appu, why are you sitting here and sleeping? What happened to you actually? Physically, are you not well or what?
That's because
Did any load come for the mill today?
it should have come early in the morning. It didn't come.
I thought it was something like that.
When you called me suddenly,
You're feeling giddy, right? I guess so. It's okay.
Appu, stand here. Appu, where did you went by the suitcase in the early morning? Appu, I'm asking you only. Where did you went?
hey, stop there. Hey, stop there. I told you to stop. I need to tell you something.
Appu, leave me. If someone see it become a problem.
Before someone sees us, please come with me. I need to tell you something. Come. Hey, come.
Appu! What's this? Leave me! Hey, please!
Tonight, we will go from here. I know everything. If I want, I can take you. And I can marry you and live here itself. But I don't want all this fighting of both the families. That's why I am saying. Tonight, exactly 12 o'clock, when everybody has slept off, you should come out. I will be waiting for you at the bus stand.
Appu? Appu? Appu, how far you are sleeping? Come on, get up. What is this new habit? You don't want to go to office, huh? Ah, you know one thing? Your lovely sister's there now. She is missing from yesterday onwards. There is a talk that she has ran away with someone else.
You don't lie like this.
Lies? That to me. Her mother and brother were shocked and depressed, it seems. Ah, a small suggestion. You better not to go that side now. Because all the ladies will be there only. Ah, and then That Gopal is there, no? He saw your sister. She was passing that way, it seems. Keep it in your mind, okay? Again, where you are going? Appu! Oh my God! Where she went? Do I have to go and see all this? God! Oh my God! I don't know how to do now. What the hell situation she has created for us? Oh, it's all my My dear Appu, my daughter has ran away from here. What to do? Oh my God, I don't know what to do, God. No one has there to help us now. Oh God, where I have to search her now. I don't know what to
When everybody has slept off, you should come out.
I understood. I will come.
Why are you standing outside itself? Come on, don't hesitate. Come and sit inside.
I came to meet the astrologer.
Was that much important?
That is...
Actually, night fully has work. Now only he came and doing puja and all.
I heard that on the way, he had met my girl.
Oh God, so soon everyone know about this, huh?
Please call him out.
Okay, you don't get tense and come and sit here. I'll go inside and send him, okay?
Okay, let me tie my
come on,
clothes
come
properly.
outside.
Hey, I'm coming now.
I'm
Wait,
asking you
wait,
to
wait.
go outside, no?
Hey, don't push me. Oh,
I hope I didn't disturb you.
no! As soon as I was told that you came, I just woke up so fast. Is it not? If you tell me the reason why you came, I shall tell you the solution to the problem.
To answer me, you don't need to do all that.
Oh God, he will not be able to remember anything. He came to ask about her sister only.
Is it not? Oh, I remember now. You came to speak about Tanga, right? Am I correct?
I'll go and change my dress and come.
In my divine vision, what I see is midnight, sometime around 12 and 12:45 a.m. when I subdued the evil spirit of this village, and on my way back, exactly under the tree where our Pangi suicided and died, one lady was walking and coming. Oh my divine lord of the jungle. Who is that? Oh, is it not our Tanga? Tanga, why are you at this wee hour? Is it not really Tanga? 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 Don't you speak or what? Is it not Tanga or what? Oh my god.
That's all happened.
But after 1 minute, there was a question which arose in my mind.
And then did you ask?
Before that, I ran. She went away. Na?
There was nobody else.
I only saw her.
"100 years for you, dear.
What is the reason, mother?
Just now I was asking about you.
Oh. Hi. Hello. So cute. Hey, naughty boy. How are you? So cute. Chubby cheeks. So cute of you. What's your name?
Hey, 1 second. Just hold on for a while. I'll go and make a list of the
Yeah.
things. Did you settle the payment for the wood which was cut yesterday?
Since there is balance money I need to get, I could give only half.
In this matter, you have to praise your father. Never he will give for borrowing to anyone. He will not like all these things. Because of him only our family is steady now.
All that has changed now. You think I am not doing anything? And times have changed a lot. If we don't give them, then they will ask from someone else. So then, you can leave this to me. From now onwards, I don't want to do business with him.
I just remembered you.
Okay, Mom, I'm leaving.
Okay. Look here.
Yes.
Just clean everything, okay?
Sure.
Why are you staring like this?
I forgot to take the keys.
That is not new for you, no? Here, this one only, no?
How do I forget all the time? Bye.
Okay, Tange, give that baby now. She has slept. Oh, so sweet, my dear darling. So soon you have slept. Okay. Come. What, Appu? Why you're not eating anything? Appu? Dear, why you're doing like this? Just have something and go. Appu! What happened, Mom? It will not be good if we leave him like this. I too was thinking the same thing.
Appu sir, you have not given me Madhav and Unitan's account yet.
We can look into it tomorrow.
Oh no, we cannot do that. Tomorrow morning his cashier will come here. Not only that, we have to go and meet the labor officer tomorrow.
Please don't ask me to do for a few days. I need some peace of mind.
I notice some issue is annoying you. If we go on like this...
If it goes like this, we'll have to shut down, right?
No, I didn't mean that.
I don't know what you were saying, but I need some peace of mind. 24/7 I am thinking only about the company.
Now, I am not saying anything. You just take some rest. Everything will be alright.
Hey, Vasu,
Hey. Hi, bro.
where is Murugeshan?
He's gone out. He is not yet reached till now.
Shit. Why is it taking so much time?
My dear bro, did you get any news about your daughter?
We have searched all the places, Vasu. We searched at the rivers too.
What happened to this girl?
Bad time. What else to say? I have never hurt my daughter till this day. But she ditched me.
Bro, when Murugan bro comes here, what will you answer him? You had informed that you will give your daughter to Murugeshan and not to marry her. Don't you remember? Bro, since there is no any news, it is better you can inform the police department.
Should I do that?
Yes, bro. You have collected money from Murugeshan bro. Now, if anything bad happens, both Murugeshan bro and the people of this place will ask you, why did you not inform the police department?
Vasu,
Yeah, same way, will you shut your mouth that day also, bro? So, it's better you inform the police department. Otherwise, you will have to face the consequences. Please think about it. Okay?
What, sir?
This is the house, right?
Yeah.
You are Appu's mother.
Yes.
Your house is made. Was gone, right?
Oh, no, sir. Actually, she used to help me in the kitchen. Not even once I have thought her as a servant at all.
We need to ask you some questions about her.
Please, come inside and sit.
Hmm.
Please.
Who is this?
She's my daughter, Rukmini. Her husband is working in the city in one company.
How is your servant?
Actually, she was brought up from here only.
Hmm.
She is as a daughter for me. What you're seeing there? You want to play with them?
Mm-hmm.
What is your name?
Tangamani.
Tangamani. Where is your house?
Here only.
Oh. Did you eat anything? Come here. We'll eat something. Appu,
Mother? What, Mom?
you go and bring that girl here
For what?
to eat lunch only.
Oh, okay. Come with me, we'll have coffee. I don't want. Don't tell like that. You should listen to Mother. Come. I don't want. Come on. Huh?
In our company, we have the same type of food every day. This food is very delicious for me. I'm really enjoying it.
If you take Rukmini with you means you can eat the same thing daily, no?
I am also concerned about that. After getting my next increment, I will definitely take her to my place. Right? Mom, you know well. She
Yeah,
thinks
give me
that staying in the quarters is very comfortable. We will not have any privacy there.
Then how others are living there?
Those people are coming from a joint family, dear. Even if it is one room, they just want to stay away from their joint family and have a private life. Don't you think she's very comfortable here? Pure water, pure air,
Yeah.
nice climate, and very fresh and rich protein vegetables too. What does she require more to have a happy life?
Wherever the husband means, their only wife also must be there.
You are waiting for a very long time, dear. Stay for some more time too. You should always have patience. I have found a very good house to stay for us. We will shift once I get the increment. Don't laugh.
you're laughing,
This time
Mummy?
I'm very serious about that. I will definitely take her. Why are you remaining silent?
Sister is saying valid point only, brother. How many days she can be here without you?
Ask like this, Tange.
So you both have joined one group, right? This is the habit of women. If one woman has a problem, immediately she'll get the support from another woman.
No, I didn't say you not to eat now, no?
No, I don't want any more. I am going on a diet now. You do one thing. Get me 2 glasses of sweet porridge.
Oh my god.
If there is any balance, I will have
go,
it at
take
night.
this and go. Okay, let him come. You sit and eat in this leaf itself. Okay,
Sister.
Mummy.
You will get rare opportunity like this. Please have your food, sister.
Tange,
Huh?
you also come and sit. I'll serve
No,
you.
mother, I will have later.
Who are you asking? She goes in the kitchen and keeps every vessel together and then takes from that and only then she'll eat. Everybody knows that.
No, Apu, this is too much.
Yeah, I need some. From the time she is missing, lot of people are saying lot of things. Until we find the right reason, we will have to come again and again. Where were you saying his mill is?
All used to say that it's nearby our farm only.
I know it, sir. Actually, there is nothing to worry. The sub-inspector is new, right? He's just excited. After some time, the issue will subside. You don't worry at all. Everything I'll take care of.
If Appu is silent in this matter, Miss will be good. I don't know what are all the problems we are going to face, Father. I'm already scared. Please don't talk like this. Yeah, coming.
You don't have to keep looking like this. Why did you come?
Actually, I want to tell you something.
Tell me.
You see, I want to.
Apu sir, that bullock cart people have come. Can we go ahead and load all the materials?
Who all have come?
That Ausab and Amsa.
You have to count everything and give. And you have to account for it also. I don't really believe that guy, okay?
Okay.
Oh.
You see, I want to tell you something.
That's what I asked you to tell.
You see, it's actually very secret.
Uh-huh. What is the secret you want to tell?
That is, I want to.
Arun Kumar?
Ah, where are you going? Tell me what is the matter.
Dear, Madhavan sir has asked all the payment details immediately.
Hey, stop there. I have written everything in this. Please sit here and check, alright?
Okay.
Hey,
okay.
stop there. Hey, where are you going? Stop there, I keep telling you.
I can't even share a secret with you there.
It's such a big secret.
Hmm.
Then you should have told me earlier. Yeah, now tell me. What is it?
I'll tell on your ear.
It's that big a secret?
That is.
Yeah, tell me.
That is.
Huh?
I want a night saree from you, dear.
That is the secret.
What, Apu? When you go to the market, can you buy one?
It is suitable for you, no? I will buy. Hey, You didn't tell me the size.
Oh my god, I forgot.
If you want, I can measure it myself. Are you sure this is enough?
Hey, you naughty boy.
Whatever order we give, will you do it correctly? If Appu takes an order, he does it correctly. This is actually our first deal. We shall see.
You can believe in me 100%.
Trust. That is life.
Lunch.
You want me to sit here and eat?
Okay, Appu. We'll come again.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay, we'll come. Sir, you don't have to worry about anything. They are very trustworthy people only. Sir, are we going home or...
Why did that guy come to your house?
To see me.
What for?
Appu, how do I know about that? People who like me, they'll come and see me. What's your problem?
You have to tell me why he came to your house.
Maybe he wanted to marry me.
And then what did you tell?
I said I think about that. Appu, what's this? Please come and have the food.
I don't want your food. You can give it to someone.
Appu, better have your food.
I'm telling you, I don't want.
Appu, it's your Tanga saying you come and have the food. I was just joking with you. Come, Appu.
No, I'm not coming.
You are my sweetheart, Appu. You will not listen to my words, Appu?
Are you saying the truth?
Of course. Other than you, whom I will call like that?
Promise me.
Promise.
Vasu!
Yeah? What, bro?
Where is your boss?
Which master?
You don't know whom I'm talking about.
Master, he has gone to see his relatives.
Did he go alone?
Oh,
Or else?
yeah, he's gone alone. And next time he will marry Tanga and meet his relatives.
Who told you that they are going to get married?
No, bro, I did not tell. Tanga's father and master, when they were having a drink together, they had discussed.
When did they tell you they'll go?
Actually, after 1 week.
And they haven't come here yet.
He will definitely come here. Where else will he go?
If he comes here, you should let me know, okay?
Oh, okay.
Did you tell me all the truth?
Promise. I swear on my mother, bro. Believe me.
But if I come to know that what you told me were all lies, then I will make sure that I break this hand of yours also, alright?
Yeah.
Drink it.
Hey, I don't want all this right now.
Where from?
Near to that space.
Chirida's house.
Yeah.
Oh, Chirida's stuff is very good. If you drink, you won't stop. Super. You take one. It's good for the body.
I don't want
Don't
this.
you want? In that case, can I take one more? Oh. Super. It is like an explosion inside. Gulu 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 gulu. How many colors? Now tell me, what do you want to know?
I want to know about that boss. What did you know about him?
What do you want to actually know about him?
Whatever you know about him, I also want to know.
Is that all? So before I say that, I have to take one more of this stuff and only then it will become clear. If I have to tell you about him. Pilla's daughter Tanga is in his mind. I understood. For that he came to me.
And then?
Astrologer! Hey, astrologer! Just stop! I said stop! Astrologer, I definitely want her. I don't think it is possible in a normal way. You have to try some other way to get her.
You should not think of crooked ways, son.
Then please tell me some other solution.
You gotta take him for a ride. I'll say. But before that, do you have anything to light up your brain?
As of now, I've got only this much.
This is divine. Don't play with it. Talisman for attraction. Without anyone's knowledge, you should tie it in Tanga's waist. On the 4th day, she will be with you. Show your hands. Go and tie it. Go.
But if she doesn't collect it from me,
Sure. Use your brain, Murugans. The Divine Lord will be always with you. God bless you.
Why are you laughing for it?
But Murugan's experiment failed.
sister. Nobody's here. Sister. What, sister? Is everything okay?
Muruga?
What, sister? Are you okay?
Actually, she refused to tie. I thought not to hurt you. That's why I myself tied. Muruga, come.
What, sister? Huh?
Come on, Muruga.
Sister,
come.
sister, please leave
Come,
me.
I'm saying,
sister,
you know,
sister,
come,
please
get
leave me.
inside.
Sister, let me tell you,
Just
sister,
listen
please
to
leave
me.
me. No, no,
Come on.
I will not
Just
come.
once, come.
Sister,
Get
no,
inside.
please
Come
leave
on,
me. No,
Muruga.
please, I will not
Hey,
come. Please
listen
leave me.
to me.
I
I'm
said
saying
leave me.
you only. Hey. Go naughty, Muruga.
Oh no.
Wow. You alone going to drink fully? Come, give me
Very
this.
little.
Go into the kitchen and look after the work. What a type of man he is. Huh. What Appu want to know?
That I'll tell him.
About Murugan only you want to know, na?
Yeah.
Murugan is not like that as he said. He is a great gentleman. I have never seen a brave man like him, you know.
Oh, Divine Lord of Astrology, please help me do my research of finding a girl for this fellow. The god of snake is actually looking at you from a very distant position. Let's see if there is any remedy. Here it is. Hello, you. You are not supposed to do something else which you are not supposed to do. Concentrate on this moment.
Are you looking here or should I make you to look here? If I make you look, you will be in trouble. You have a new company now. Joining or what? But you have to call Shukran also. Let's call and see. There is a remedy. Will this fellow go inside? Difficult to get him outside. Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio 23.
Astrologer, can I have some water to drink?
Hello, Nani.
No, don't bother. I will go and take.
Only if you are thirsty will you want to quench your thirst. Go ahead, go ahead. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Oh, you are here also. Forgive me, forgive me. Ow, ow. Oh, the bead.
Can I have some water, please?
He was just like a tiger, Appu.
Did he have anything? With...
Oh, then Appu has come only for that, huh?
Yeah, I need to know that.
Come on, Tange. What is the use of knowing about that? If I want to run the family means I also go out and work.
You could have told these things directly to him, sister.
Well, as soon I say, will he go for work now?
What, sister?
What a man you are. You told you'll come soon, still now you're not back.
I hope everything is alright.
If I say one thing means...
When did this beautiful rabbit join with you?
I'm not a rabbit, okay?
Yeah, now I understood after hearing your good speech.
Look, Muruga,
Yeah?
as you're behaving with me, don't behave with her. She is very strict.
I know how to handle sick girls, sister.
Look, Muruga,
Yeah?
let it go smoothly like this, okay?
Oh yes, why not? Please, you can carry on. Carry on.
This Murugan is there, no?
Very often we'll be meeting again, okay? I want to enjoy that fruit with you. I really want to taste it. Such a delicious fruit. Oh, really tasty.
Get lost.
What else did you come to know?
Actually, Tanga is very impressed with him, I hope. That is what I'm thinking. If you keep on asking like this, is what I have to say now. She is a fraud girl. Why are you believing her?
If you talk like this again about her, then I don't know what I'll do. I will.
Hey, stop there! Hey, stop there!
Don't run!
I said stop!
Stop there!
Hey,
Don't do anything.
Hey,
Leave me.
Where is he?
He left from here 1 week before.
Do you know where he is?
Don't know, sir.
tell me properly.
He's got one
Ah.
old grandmother. He told me that he is going to see that grandmother.
Did he tell when he'll come?
Marriage date is nearing, so he will come very soon.
Marriage?
Yeah,
With whom?
that Pillai bro's daughter Tanga.
Who? The Tanga who is missing.
Yeah, the same girl.
How was Pilla and Murugan?
Actually, they were very close with each other, sir. Sir, I'm an illiterate person. I don't know anything much. Little I know.
Tell me.
Actually, my master Murugeshan bro always was at Pillai bro's house.
Come on, bro, have this. This was made out of pure cashew, you know that? It's really strong. I did this specially for my bro. You too have a peck, dear. It is very good for health.
Oh no.
Have it.
Super. Very tasty. Pour one more peg.
No. You should always have a gap between two pegs. Take some more time to have one.
Give for me
Will you
also.
please shut up? In this stage, if you have, your kidney will be affected, my dear.
You no need to say anything. Don't talk unnecessarily, okay?
It's okay, sister. He's just a
You
kid.
first go from here. Hey, go. Get inside.
No,
Go.
please don't beat him, sister.
Let him cry like this. He's talking too much.
Does usually Tanga come very late?
No. Might be today late.
Oh.
You don't have to wait for her. Take that fried fish, dear. Muruga, I have an idea. It's too late today, so you need not go anywhere. You stay here tonight. Tomorrow morning you can go.
Come on, bro. Have one more. Take it.
Have Muruga.
I'll have later. You have it now. Okay. Where is your son?
He's inside.
All right.
Hey,
Mm.
give me some water to wash my hand.
Have it.
Good night.
Good night.
Good evening. Good evening.
I really got scared. What are you doing here?
I just came here to give a gift to your father and I was waiting for you to.
So what?
Dad told me to wait here and see you and have dinner also.
Had your dinner, right?
How can I have dinner without you, Tanga?
Why are you waiting for me?
What, Tanga? You don't have any affection on me.
I don't want anybody's affection. Just get lost.
Tanga, all of them at home have already slept. In this beautiful night, only we both are here now. I have a wish for a very long time, Tanga.
I told you to leave this place.
My heart is really waiting for you, Tanga. Just one night alone. Come on, let's. Come on.
Just leave me. Just leave me.
Muthu,
Yes, sir.
take all this waste and just put it that side.
Okay, sir.
Please try to fry the fish soon. Eh?
useless fellow.
He calls everyone like this.
Get me 2 bottles of stuff.
Stuff? What stuff?
Country Arak. What else?
Country Iraq. I don't sell anything here.
You dumb. Here only we'll get. That's what the other guy said,
Yeah,
right?
they said it is right here.
Then what are you looking at? You take it, you dumbo.
Dumbo?
Driver's tempo. Let me ask you. Your name is Murugan, right?
Yeah.
Then why are you getting so confused and tensed? Didn't you understand? Don't you know the driver of Shaktan lorry, Arapai?
Yeah, I know.
That fellow only actually sent us here.
Oh, I'm sorry. You could have told this before.
My dear friend, my name is Paul. The stupid villagers actually call me. How do they call me?
They always call you like that.
In the main town, in behind St. Matthew's Church's compound is my house. We were talking about this guy, Rapai. I am a very close friend of his. Our relation is like the clutch and the gear. When he applies, I release.
Yeah, now I can get you. You gave me a shock, you know.
Hey, without a relation of that sort, we will not be coming here, right? Is it not?
That is right.
Please wait there. I will bring it immediately.
Why is he talking as if he's talking to beggars? Hey, this place is awesome, na? What an exquisite natural beauty.
Who is that? You know her?
Your grandfather's sister. Hey, Dumbo, you should have studied properly in school rather than jumping and playing around like this. You know that?
But I didn't do like that.
After all, what the hell did you become? This exquisite.
How?
Just come here. Yeah. How is it?
It is right. It is a very beautiful place.
How is it?
A very beautiful place.
Just move and stand from here. I actually need some place when I'm going to vacuum with my slippers. Only then you will get it on your right.
Don't throw
Mr.
that.
Paul, please
Yeah.
come.
Okay, I got to go now. You play with some stones here, okay?
Come, sit down.
Awesome chair.
Hmm.
Got to check this stuff, right? Stuff is really superb. I'll have more of this, I guess.
But I think it won't go.
Can you stop your bloody negative phrases? Now, do you have anything for me to eat?
Let me see whether the fish is ready.
What, man? You want to go to the restroom or what?
If you insist, then I will also come.
Hello, man.
Yes.
It is just not the nature here that is gorgeous, even the people too. Which is this monument?
I will go and ask.
I'll let you know.
Appu, my son, get up. Oh God, what happened to you? Get up. Why did you sleep here, my son? When did you come? You might have called me, no? Appu, my son, Appu. What happened, Mom? I don't know what is going to happen to him. Oh my God, please help him. Mommy, say what is the matter? When did he come to home, Mom? When I opened the door, he was lying on the floor. We should not leave him as it is. We have to do something for that. Mommy, please don't worry. To change his character, I know what to do well with him.
Oh my god.
I'm sure you became afraid. If I want, I can misbehave with you now. In this forest, I will drag you and I can do it if I want, till I'm satisfied. But I will not do that because I love you so much, Tanga. I want to handle you just like a beautiful flower in my hand.
Give me the way.
Otherwise,
Do you remember that night?
don't try to be smart with me, okay? This hand should be used only to play with my body, okay? But that should happen only after marriage. That's my wish. So let me tell you, behave properly with me like a good girl. Just listen to me, okay?
Shit.